Hello all. In this video, we will be explaining you about the Masterclass. Masterclass is a place where you can conduct one-time virtual meetings, can be also called as workshop to the global audience. This Masterclass you can use for marketing purposes worldwide through your social media. Let's now see on how you can create a Masterclass. Go to Products, Masterclass. This is the place where you will be creating your masterclass. Masterclass helps you for better interaction with people and understand their thoughts. You can create an offline or an online workshop using Freshlearn. It can be a paid one and also a free one. In the next video, you will be learning on how to create masterclass in detail. Thank you.